In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your Loom paid subscription. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Alright, let's get started. First things first, grab your computer or device and open up your web browser. Whether you're using Chrome, Firefox, or Safari, just make sure you're ready to dive into Loom's website. Once you've got your web browser open, type in Loom in the search bar, or simply enter the URL directly if you know it. If you haven't already logged in, go ahead and sign in using your credentials. Enter your email and password to access your account. Now that you're signed in, look towards the top right corner of the page for your profile icon. This is typically a little circle with your initials, or a profile picture if you've uploaded one. Click on that icon to reveal a drop-down menu. In this drop-down, you'll want to find and click on the option labeled Billing. This will take you to the Atlassian billing page, where you can manage your subscription details. You're getting close now. Once on the Atlassian billing page, look for a section called Subscriptions. This is where all your active subscriptions will be listed, including your Loom subscription. Go ahead and locate your Loom subscription from the list. It shouldn't be too difficult to find since it should be labeled clearly. Once you've found it, you'll see a button that says Manage. Click on that, and this will lead you to a more detailed view of your subscription settings. If you look closely, there will be an option saying More Actions represented by 3 stacked dots, or it might just say Deactivate. Click on that to continue. Now, here comes an important step. You're going to see a prompt that allows you to click on Cancel Subscription. Go ahead and click that. Loom cares about user feedback, so the next page will ask you to select a reason for canceling. It could be anything from finding a better alternative or deciding you don't need the features anymore. Choose the reason that resonates the most with you. After selecting your cancellation reason, click on Continue. You will now be taken to a final confirmation page. At this point, take a moment to review everything. This is just to ensure that you really want to go through with the cancellation. If you're sure about your decision, you can now click on the button that says Cancel Subscription, again to confirm your cancellation. And just like that, you've successfully canceled your Loom paid subscription. If you encounter any issues during this process, or if the options don't seem to match what I've described, don't hesitate to reach out to Loom's customer support for assistance. They're usually quite helpful and can guide you through any specific complications you might face. And remember, if there's ever a need to resubscribe in the future, the process is just as straightforward, and you won't lose any of your previous settings or data during your time away. I hope this guide has helped clarify how to cancel your Loom subscription. If you found this video beneficial, I'd really appreciate it if you could like it and consider subscribing for more helpful tutorials and tips. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions or want me to cover anything else, feel free to drop a comment below.